All right, getting this one out a little bit late, but getting it in. SPY continued. I said that I would be looking to take profit if I got long around the 16th, or no, not the 16th, the 13th. Yeah, the 16th, right here. And yeah, so it's just a small indecision day. You see, there wasn't that much movement. If you kind of look at the 5 minute, or even if you look at like a 30 minute, you can see that it's pretty much today was pretty much just coming down and then breaking back up. I don't see that this is a bearish sign whatsoever. It's just indecision. It just wasn't that much movement. So again, the underlining trend is what is your friend, as corny as it sounds, and it's continuing to the upside. Still got separation from these lows. Let me take this one off. And you could see from here, if you look at that line, you see that you have the separation. So it might just continue to the upside. The momentum is looking like that, and pretty much it is what it is. QQQ, same thing. I wouldn't be looking to get short. It's just holding above these previous highs, and it could rip to the upside. And again, it might be something that if there was a ton of orders here, they're just looking to shake out people that were taking the breakouts and then continue to go higher. But we want these levels to hold. This 91.75 area, 91.45 area to hold. We need that to hold. Again, same thing with IWM. You got 1, 2, 3. How many bars you got here? You got 4 bars. Some profit taking. You see the decline in volume as well. There goes the. I don't know why it took so long to catch up. You see the. You had the flag, a break up again. I think the breakout traders are just getting a little bit squeezed. Maybe people that took it here and just, they don't know where to go. So I'm just looking at that, and the diamond, nothing looks unhealthy here. Again, you want to look at these higher time frames. You can see bigger picture. If you take it all off, it's an uptrend. If you don't see this as an uptrend, I mean, for this is 2012. I mean, this is just, it's just straight up. So I mean, it's looking good. Apple. Apple, we need to see what type of price action we got here, because it's just pretty much sideways chops. I don't know if it's sideways to pop up or pop down. Weekly, you can see you have this long tail candle, which doesn't mean that it's, it just might be due to retracement. But again, we want these 86 levels to hold if it does retrace. We don't want it to go deep and break these highs. So we don't know how deep it could go, and the 86 levels around here. It's already in these previous highs, which I showed a couple days ago, and I didn't like it being in the mix of it per se, but there's nothing I could do. So kind of just want to see how it goes from there, and don't try to pick a side. It's under the 10. You see that the momentum is a little bit to the downside, so just play it accordingly. But if you're long, I mean, it could be, depending on where you got long, it could be a time to just kind of stand down and let it choose a direction, and then you follow after that. So you can look at that. Yesterday we looked at names. Win, that one gave a little pop. CXO gave a little bit of pop. The volume's kind of dead on that one. Monsanto's gave a little pop, nothing crazy. APC was one that was up as well. Yuri was one as well that it didn't really give that much, and we kind of see how that goes. And UNP was another name that I looked at that gave a little bit of pop, but the volume and the momentum is not showing that much. Today's the sector I'm looking at is energy. You got utilities looking really good. Look at those names. XLV. You got same thing, healthcare sector. You want to see what's going on. You got Johnson Johnson looking good. You got UNH healthcare looking good. You got consumer staples, Colgate looking good. Oops, MO looking good. Pepsi. Is this Pepsi? Yeah, Pepsi looking strong from the engulfing pattern. That one looks well. You got Coca-Cola. Might not be the sexiest of names, but they're working. You got Goldman Sachs. I think this is, again, the buy was on this above this high, and it's breaking above these levels. So again, you might see a little flag, and this might be something that you might want to look at. This might be a little inside day, depending. You could check on the level after. It could pop one more upside. Another name that looks good. Come on, Celgene looks good. Strong volume popping. Jeez, popping up you know, came up, went sideways, really showed some weakness to the downside and popped back up. You have Halliburton. Halliburton's just continuing to be strong, just grinding up. BWA, that one you want to kind of just keep on your watch list. Doesn't mean that you go long, but just kind of see where this thing is going. Got Hess continuing to the upside. We got EOG. This one looks like it could be breaking and continue to the upside as well with some volume. Other Momo names people used to, momentum names, Google. Again, I said that this pattern wasn't something that I don't like, these lower highs that are in place. You got Netflix. I would just see this as kind of like a flag and see how deep the retracement goes, but I want to hold this 347 level. You got Amazon. That one, I wouldn't be going long right here, right now. I just want to wait and see how things turn out. You got Tesla. If people got in late to the party, or people that are playing this inside bar, they might get stopped out, but that's a part of trading, so don't really bitch about it. Solar City, again, you see the volume decreasing. Momentum is fine, but expect a pullback from such a, you know, you got how many bars you got in here? You got around 6 bars. I would expect some type of pullback retracement so you can get back in to continue to the upside. So gave you a couple names, do your homework, and let's look at some names that we looked at before. Facebook sideways, ExxonMobil a little bit sideways there. 3M, that one didn't pop as well. AMP, that one kind of popped up above the high and didn't really give something. So just be careful and trade them well. So I hope you get some trading ideas, potentially look for something tomorrow.